Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both machines and the cable so the transfer is immediate. Make sure PC Swift Transfer is installed and updated on your PC. This avoids protocol mismatches. Connect the source device with a reliable USB cable, then unlock it and accept any trust dialog. Open the app on both sides. The PC will detect the device. Once done, pick the transfer mode you need, File, App, or Profile, and press Connect to initiate the handshake. Now you select what moves and why. This saves time and space. On the PC interface, choose Files, Apps, Settings, or a full backup. Use the filter menu to exclude large folders or specific file types so you don't copy duplicates. Next, set the transfer speed profile, fast for quick copies at higher CPU use, balanced to avoid interruptions. Preview the file list, confirm target folders, and then start the transfer. Monitor progress bars and pause if you need to free resources. Finish by verifying the transfer so nothing is left corrupted or missing. Once the transfer completes, check file counts and use the app's checksum verification to confirm integrity. If you moved apps or settings, reboot the target device to apply changes. When everything looks correct, safely eject the source device. If you see errors, retry only the failed files, switch to a different transfer mode, USB versus network, or lower speed to reduce packet loss. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.